Okay, this is our daughter going crazy because she knows that daddy's gonna take her on a run. Okay, hold on. I gotta put my sweater on. Okay. Ava, where are you going? Baby, slow down. Where are you? There she goes. Okay, and then she stops barking.